Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you all my recipe of Gol Gappas, because we all are missing Gol Gappas in this lockdown. So let's make it at home. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. To begin with, I'm taking 2 cups of semolina. Now we'll add salt to taste. Now I'll use Eno and I'll just put 1/4 of the cap of this bottle. You can also use baking soda. Now add 5 tablespoons of oil. Now we mix it well to remove all the lumps. After mixing all the ingredients, we'll add some water and we'll turn it into a dough. Remember not to add so much of water, just add a little bit of water and we'll turn it into a hard dough. And our dough is ready. We'll allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make pani for pani puris. So here I'm taking some coriander leaves. I'll add 2 to 3 green chillis. Now I'll add half a cup of water. And now we'll grind it well. Now as you guys can see, the paste is all ready. Now we'll add some salt, some red chili powder, some mango powder. Now I'm adding a pinch of asafoetida, just a pinch of this Everest asafoetida, which we also call heeng, and now mix it well. Now some lemon juice. And lastly, I'm adding a glass full of water. Now I am pouring the mixture through the strainer to get rid of thick paste. And now our tasty pani for pani puris is almost ready, and in last I'll add some boondi. Coming back to dough, our dough is all set to make puris out of it. Now I'll make a dough flat using this rolling board and rolling pin. Now using any cap of the jar or any bottle, we'll cut this out into small puris. Now again using rolling pin, I'll give it a slight oval shape. Now we'll fry these puris into hot oil. I have added a pinch of salt into this oil so that these puris will not soak too much of oil. So now our puris are ready, and now it's time to make a tasty filling. To make filling, I have taken these chopped boiled potatoes and adding salt into it, red chili powder, mango powder and dry coriander powder. And to make it more tasty, I am adding crushed puris into it. And lastly, I am adding 2 tablespoons of chili coriander paste. Now mix all the ingredients well. And finally, our tasty pani puris are ready. So that is my recipe of Gol Gappas. If you guys like this video, then smash the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.